Welcome to Guangdong Boji Ceramic Company Limited. We located in Chaozhou, Guangdong Eastern Region, China, is a large enterprise in researching, manufacturing, and sales of ceramic sanitary products. The company was founded in 2021, but we have many years of experience in the production of ceramic sanitary ware. The production area of the factory now reaches 30,000 square meters. The introduction of the most advanced automatic production equipment. There are more than 300 employees. Our products are toilets, basins, wall-hung bathroom sets, urinals, and hardware plumbing products. BTO brand is our located famous brand and have been registered in countries around the world. Based on our accumulated experience in the past production process, we continuously improves the production equipment, product quality, and the water efficiency technology, have the most mature production line, integrated casting line in constant temperature workshop, fettling, sponging, glazing, until into the kiln. We firmly believe that quality is everything, and we focuses on quality control. 100% appearance check, 100% glazed temperature difference test, 100% vacuum test, 100% leakage check test, and flushing test. Technology is improving and time is changing, but the pursuing of quality and service is unchanging. Now our products are favored and supported by home and abroad. We believe that our strict quality standards and integrity management philosophy will be your best choice for cooperation.